Agastya's vision is an India of tinkerers, solution seekers and entrepreneurs. And it is in this pursuit of this particular vision, we partnered with JP Morgan in the Schools Challenge Mumbai and had a successful first edition.
It ignites the little brains of the school children and forces them to think differently for the society, and it encourages them to participate in a lot of other activities other than school.
विज्ञानाविषयीचं जे कुतूहल आहे या कुतूहलामुळेच मुलांनी अतिशय इंटरेस्टने यामध्ये काम केलं. त्यांना स्वतःला त्या ठिकाणी काम करायला मिळत होतं, त्यामुळे ते खूपच आनंदी त्या कार्यक्रमावरून आल्यानंतर दिसायचे.
In the second edition, wherein 400 students will benefit and problems around the UN SDG will be looked at from a design thinking perspective. We will be very happy to take the help of JP Morgan volunteers in this process and ensure that while the learning is happening, they are also becoming the problem solvers and entrepreneurs of tomorrow.